Kenyans, when you see this language and you see these people talking like this, you must be asking yourself the question that I'm asking myself. Do you want another 5 years of this arrogance and self-destructive hubris? Another 5 years of that?
No way.
Is that how we are going to live? I mean, where a retired president makes a statement and is insulted the whole weekend. What are we telling our children? What are we telling our young people? That is the kind of country we want to have? Sasa sisi kama Jubilee, kiongozi wa chama chetu ako kwa ofisi halali, ndio kiongozi wa chama chetu, tutakuwa na yeye, atakuwa mwanachama wa Jubilee, atakuwa kiongozi wetu, na sisi wanachama tunataka aendelee kuwa kiongozi wetu mpaka wakati ule yeye mwenyewe atasema anataka kufanya mambo mengine. Tafadhali fanyeni kazi yenu, jipange na mambo mengi yenu huko. I thought you would be panicking about even some of the members of your party who joined us in Narok. And they were telling us they are leaving that sinking ship. And we said we welcome them. And I want to use this opportunity again to say we welcome them because they are fellow Kenyans. Tunawakaribisha. Twende mbele, because you know, who can tell you more about an institution than those who are inside, who are fleeing it. So, tufanye kazi ile iko, the way President Kibaki used to say, let's focus on the work we have of building our country, and let us ensure that, you know, everything is going well.